I got a big old box in the mail the other day. Let's see if I can open this. I need something to open it. Do I have scissors? Found scissors. So, a company called Drizzle Beauty contacted me about 2 weeks ago, and they wanted me to try out their gel manicure kits. And I was confused at first because it looks like they have some dip powder kits, and like that's like my favorite thing. But also it seemed like some of their gel stuff was like full nails, but it's not. This is just gel manicure like nail polish, which I have never used before. I'm excited to try. The other day I put on these nails. They're just some plain dip powder nude. I'll link that video down below if you want to see how I got them. They're very pretty. All right, got it open. We're good. I am functioning like a human. Open it up here. Drizzle Beauty Gel Polish Instruction Manual. Good. The Classic Collection. Yeah, that's what I got. Okay, the Classic Collection. It says it's $69, which is a bit pricey for me, but it has everything in it. Let me just read what it has. Hi, Boffer. You want to say hi, sir? Come on. Come say hi. Okay, you don't have to. It has a 48 watt UV/LED lamp, which those things always make me nervous. I had tried another lamp from another company when I was trying a different kind of thing, and it just completely failed on me, and I have to practice those before I try anything again. 3 salon quality base and top coats, base glossy and velvet matte top coat. 2 professional nail files for shaping and smoothing. 1 steel cuticle pusher. 50 gel polish remover pads. That's cool. Gel polish remover pads. And 6 amazing colors. The list of the colors says we have Bliss, Tickled, Breathless, Cozy, Flow, and Calm. And I'm going to be honest, I didn't like a lot of the colors that they had. The only color that I actually like in here is Bliss, Flow, and Calm. So hopefully I can get a lot of use out of this regardless, because it looks very nice. We've got a very large nail buffer. The lamp, which is actually a lot smaller than the other one that I had tried. I kind of like this. It's a little bit daintier. Drizzle Sensational Self-Care. There's a little box. I don't know what's in the box, but I'm going to assume maybe the pads. It's got to be the pads because I don't see them anywhere else. I'll open it up in a second. This looks like the cord for the lamp. The cuticle pusher. And a lovely doodad of the polishes. Oops. Oh, Both, are you gonna go get the box? Let's go, boy. You can have the box. These bottles feel nice. Everything in this feels really nice. The aesthetic of everything is just really, really good. Oh, it does say on the side, nail gel removal pads. I want to see them. Oh. Okay. Gel polish removal pad. They're in separate little containers. Everything feels so cute. Like, it's so aesthetically pleasing. I don't know how to deal with it. But I'm going to start reading through the instructions. I've got the lamp plugged in right here, and it automatically turns on when you put your hand in it. Cool stuff. Step 1, nail prep. Use the Drizzle nail files to create your favorite nail shape. Use the rougher file for general shaping and the finer file for the perfect smooth finish. Use the rounded end of the Drizzle cuticle pusher to gently push back your cuticles, and the shaper end to clear away excess skin. This will help ensure that the gel doesn't adhere to the skin around your nail. I'm going to skip all of this part just because I have just done these nails, so my cuticles are already kind of taken care of, and the nail surface is already, there's no top coat or anything on my nails. It's just acrylic powder, so I'm pretty much ready for gel. Apply a thin layer of Drizzle gel base coat to the nails and cure for 30 to 60 seconds under the Drizzle LED lamp. So gotta find the base coat. And we're going to apply a thin layer to the nails. I have never used gel before. This consistency feels very thick compared to nail polish, so I'm a little bit nervous, but we're just gonna go for it. see if I can get this lamp over here. I believe you can push the 30 seconds. Okay, I've now got both hands cured with the base coat, but I think just for extra added measure, because it says 30 to 60 seconds, I'm gonna like do a random like 10 seconds just to be sure that they're perfectly cured. And I don't know if you guys can see that. If you don't press one of the button timers, as soon as you put your hand in, it starts the timer for you. So I don't have to count to 10, it's gonna count to 10 for me. That's nifty. I'm sorry, I've never used a lamp before, so this is very exciting. Next step in this process, it says to apply a thin layer of the desired Drizzle gel polish color to the nails and cure for 30 to 60 seconds under the lamp. Make sure to wipe any excess gel from the skin before curing. In the next part of the application, it says you can apply 1 to 2 slightly thicker coats of Drizzle gel polish for full opacity. I guess it's to your desired opacity, whatever you feel like doing. And then you can add decals and gems, dipping powders, designs, whatever you want. I would like to use Flow. The color seems a little bit thinner than the base coat did. So maybe, I don't know, this might be a little bit harder to work with. I'm hoping I don't mess up. I really don't want to get it on my skin. Oh goodness, there's so much. Oh boy. Oh, that's a beautiful color. And I did get a little bit on my skin. You know what? I'll use this little tool. There we go. Everything's fine. Okay, I've now got 2 coats on both of my hands, and then it says to apply 1 to 2 thin layers of the Drizzle gel top coat or matte top coat and cure for 30 to 60 seconds. I'm going to use the matte top coat, but I wanted to show you guys, I don't know what happened, but for some reason this thumb, it got all bumpy. I'm thinking it's because I was oh, it's happening to this one too. I think I was having difficulty with my thumbs. It was kind of getting too thick, and so I think they just cured wrong. I'm going to go ahead and do the top coat because it doesn't bother me too much. But if it did bother me, I'd probably just take one of the remover pads, take it off, and try again. But anyway, let's move on and put the top coat on. This is very thick. I don't know. They're just so thick now. I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna cure these for a full 60 seconds, and we shall see. Look at that. Okay, I haven't put the top coat on this hand yet, just this one. You can definitely see how matte it is. It's so pretty. Oh, I love that. And they feel not sticky anymore because they feel kind of sticky. And you can kind of see some bumps. I'm going to assume that this is, you know, user error. It's my first time doing gel nail polish before, so I don't know. All right, both hands are done. This was my first time using gel nail polish, so don't judge me. They're a little bit bumpy, but I'm pretty proud of myself because they look so pretty, and I am super glad that I went with the color Flow because it came out a lot darker than I thought it would, and it just, I don't know, I like this color with my skin and my hair and whatever. I just like the color. So if I have to give any first impression review, it's yes, like it, get it, want it, more of it. I want more stuff. I hope that they release more stuff. I hope that they get full dip kits because I'd love to try a dip kit from them. Or if they got little things like rhinestones. I don't know for sure if they sell any of those. Maybe they do. I'll have to check. But it was easy to do. The instructions were simple to follow. I think my problem was maybe that I put too thick of an application the first time and didn't cure it enough. Not sure. If you guys have any tips, let me know down below. I'd love some tips. Hi, Bofer. There is a bit of a smell. Oh, he's up there now. There is a bit of a smell with the base coat and the top coat. I didn't notice it with the actual color itself. Can you make up your mind, sir? Where do you want to be? But that's the only negative, is that it's a little bit stinky, but it's not like super strong like when you do acrylic nails or anything. It's just kind of there. And I think I'm a little bit sensitive to smells because it kind of gave me a headache. I wish it was just an LED lamp because UV gives me the heebie-jeebies. I don't want skin cancer. But other than that, I feel good. I wish it was a little bit less expensive, but that's just me being cheap. Because if you know me, you know I tend to make purchases on the lower end. But you know what? I guess this isn't that far out there for a gel nail, like full starter kit with everything in it. You get the files, the buffer, the cuticle pusher, the removers, the lamp. I've seen some expensive lamps out there. So you get everything you need for the $60 that it's on sale right now. Yeah. And if Drizzle Beauty is watching this right now, I did enjoy it and I would love to work with you some more if you want. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know any tips you have in the comment section below and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!